Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we will be looking at the Nixod portable washing machine and the DFJKJUU portable washing machine. Both of these compact washers are perfect for small living spaces, such as apartments and dormitories. They are designed to handle small loads of laundry, making them ideal for delicate items like underwear and baby clothes. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to washing capacity, the Nixod portable washing machine offers a 15-liter capacity, while the DFJKJUU portable washing machine provides a slightly larger capacity of 16 liters. This difference may seem small, but it can make a significant impact when washing larger loads or multiple items at once. Both machines are designed to accommodate small clothing items, making them perfect for delicate fabrics. In terms of spin functionality, the Nixod portable washing machine features a built-in spin basket that helps remove excess water from your laundry. On the other hand, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine comes with a removable spin-dry basket, allowing for more flexibility in handling your laundry. This can be particularly useful for users who prefer to separate their washing and drying processes. Lastly, let's discuss the control interfaces of these two machines. The Nixod portable washing machine is equipped with touch controls, providing a modern and sleek user experience. In contrast, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine utilizes push-button controls, which may appeal to users who prefer a more tactile interaction. Both control types are designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that you can easily operate the machines. In conclusion, both the Nixod and DFJKJUU portable washing machines offer excellent features for those seeking compact laundry solutions. While the DFJKJUU has a slightly larger capacity and a removable spin-dry basket, the Nixod provides a convenient spin basket and modern touch controls. Ultimately, the choice between these two machines will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.